Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on here because I just filmed a video and I haven't looked at it yet. But I think I filmed the entire video. I have the noisiest household. I'm sorry. I think I just filmed the entire video with lipstick on my teeth. And I didn't feel like filming it again. So I may, after I look at the editing, I'm probably going to just throw this on in there and say, really sorry about the lipstick on my teeth. It's just, yeah, it happens. And you know when you just don't want to refilm your reaction because then it's not genuine. So that's why I did that. That's why I'm sitting here filming this. And hopefully I won't have to throw it in there because, yeah, okay, and now the loud talking. Ah, goodness gracious. Yeah, I need a vacation really badly. Thanks, guys. Bye. Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me. I'm so happy to have you here, and if you are new here, welcome. I am very happy to have you too. Well, I finally got my Walmart beauty box that I've been waiting for forever. It seems like everyone's gotten their videos up already and I never received my box. If you don't know what a Walmart beauty box is, it's $5. Essentially, you are paying for shipping and everything that's included in the box is supposedly free. And the box always is definitely more value than $5. You do get it quarterly. So I was desperately waiting for my summer box, and it seems to be like a theme. This has been all over lots of summer boxes lately, and I just think it's pretty. The colors are pretty, the boxes are pretty. I save all these boxes, I reuse them all the time. I'm opening this up right now. Ooh, wow, that was loud. I'm also trying out a different lighting. One of the lights that I use makes a lot of noise, and I find that the noise on my videos is very distracting. So I'm trying it without that light and just using my umbrella lights. So you'll have to let me know if the lighting is good. I guess I will find out when I do my editing. But, oh, this is a very, normally the boxes feel a little different. I can't describe it, but this just has a nice texture to it. I told you I'm very, tactile, so anyway, let's open this up. It comes very nicely packaged with very pretty matching paper, which is really nice. That's a little extra, and the card just flew away. And please let me just explain, I'm sorry about these cuts on my hand. I have a new series called When Plumbing Attacks, because I'm currently trying to fix my tub faucet and everything like that, and I slipped between the tools and I just kind of cut my hand across the top. So I'm sorry about that. Anyway, this says embrace your beauty. I did bring my glasses. Let me get them. I have a different pair on today as I throw this all over the floor. I'm always trying to balance everything on my lap. Sometimes it works. Most times it doesn't. So this just says Walmart Beauty. You can rate and review the products. I'm a big, I don't know about you guys, but I always go on and I'm always eating everything for the good, the bad, or the ugly. So anyway, as I said, this is really pretty paper. I ramble. You know me. If you don't know me, I'm a rambler. I'm a chatty person. I talk. So I'm not going to look because I like to be surprised, and I've been holding off on watching everyone's videos. They keep popping on my feed. I'm like, I can't watch you yet. I can't watch you yet. Okay, so the first box that I am pulling out is, wow, we've been getting a lot of teeth whitening kits lately. This is by Rembrandt. These are very expensive. This is a 3-day whitening boost kit. It comes with 6 custom fit whitening strips. I have about 4 kits of these now. As I mentioned before, I've been so afraid to try them because my teeth are so super sensitive, but I really do want to try them, and I may give it my best effort and give it a shot. But that's a very good value. I always, if you don't know, I always do my very best to put on the screen the value of the items that we do get. Next, I am not looking, and I am pulling out pieces of paper. Oh, I thought they might be coupons, but they are not. They're just advertisements for Whole Blends and Garnier. Okay, maybe that's a clue. Maybe it was just a clue. I'm pulling out another. There's a lot of things in here. Well, at least this one is a coupon for Rembrandt, the teeth whitening kit. Can I actually get you some product? No, why would I get some product? I'm pulling out another advertisement. Jeez, for goodness sakes. They never put that many in here. Okay, I actually have my hand on a product. Okay, this is a donkey, I'm going to hold it this way, donkey milk skin gel mask. Interesting. Innovative skin gel mask technology. And it has a little donkey on it. Okay. So this is, I can't even read. These are not my good glasses. It's like a 15 to 20 minute. Is it a sheet mask? Yes, it is a sheet mask. Okay. Even with these glasses on, I can't read because they're not my good glasses. Ha. So this is what it has. Donkey milk, salmon egg extract. Can bake a cake. Okay. Next up, I am pulling out, I almost felt like a diaper. Oh, these are Kleenex wet wipes. I actually enjoy these. I buy these all the time. I keep them in my car, I keep them in my desk, I keep them everywhere because they're refreshing to use when you just kind of want to do, like, you know, if you're all sweaty and everything, kind of quick cleanup. They're great for when your hands are sticky and stuff like that, and that's not bad. And you are actually getting, how many wipes in here? 8 wet wipes. The next thing I am pulling out is another packet. This is Garnier Whole Blends Oat Delicacy. Okay, you take you take the oats, you take the salmon egg, you take the donkey milk. I can make myself a full meal. Oh my goodness. So this says it soothes, protects, and hydrates. I'm not a big fan of these packets because it's the shampoo is always enough for my hair, but the conditioner is never enough for my long hair. But this has oat milk and rice cream extracts. Yeah. Bake a cake. Let's continue on. I think there's 2 things left in the box. And it is another teeny tiny packet. This one is the Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask with papaya extract. Okay, again, this is barely this will not be enough to cover my whole head, so it's a little bit disappointing. Maybe I will just put it on my ends and see how that does. But again, it's a $5 box, and essentially it's free. You know what I mean? Okay, and an even smaller packet. This is from Garnier. It is Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day-Night Mask. It says it's 96% naturally derived ingredients, made with rose water, made without mineral oil, parabens, silicones, and dyes. Okay, so I'm assuming this is a face mask, and this is a good enough size to try. We just got a rose water mask in, I think, our lure box that we just got. Rose water must be the theme of the month or something. So that is it, my friends. The box is empty. Overall, I think we've gotten better boxes than this. But again, I'm not going to complain, I said, because essentially you are paying for the shipping. I think that the value of the box is definitely worth way more than $5. We're not talking like Boxycharm type of value, but these boxes, the Target box, which is $7, and this box, I think they're nice. They're not only makeup related. Sometimes we'll get something, but it could really be anything that they sell in Walmart that is beauty related or, you know, personal care related. So I'm happy with it. I will let you know. I'll put the values on the screen. Well, you probably would have already seen that because I would have already done it as I was showing the product and the value of what it is. Some I may not be able to tell because they are packets, but that is okay. I will do my best for you. And tell me what you think of a couple of things. I am testing a new palette out on my eyes. I am on the fence about it. I have some thoughts. I am going to be doing a full review on it. It is it's not controversial, but yeah, you're going to see it is a palette review coming up, and believe it or not, on my lips I am wearing it's a lip palette which I normally do not use. It is the Ish palette that we got in our Fabfitfun box quite some time ago, maybe in the winter box, and I love it. I wish it wasn't a palette because I can't take a whole palette with me. But I think I like it, and you can let me know. Other than that, I am losing my voice because I'm home for work for a little while. Yeah, you know what I mean. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day and amazing week. And I, of course, will see you here on the next one. Bye, everybody.